specials. When I tell you guys, like, I am in love with this place, I'm gonna show you guys, like, what I'm seeing right now. You guys are gonna be like, what? I'm so excited to change my room. Look at this freaking place. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm about to have a whole party in here. Okay, we're gonna go to where it says mirrors.
This is mirrors.
All the way down there. Down there, mirrors.
This is dresser.
Yeah, see, how much is that? But it's not white enough for me. It's like a creamy type of... This is not white enough to me. It might look white on the camera, but to the eye, it's like a tint. Oh my god, I found it! Let me see if I can push my eye over. Yo, I'm gonna come back here and literally buy this place. Like, it's a force. I just feel like this is so cute. What did I sit on this for? $249? What? But this is too small for me personally. I just feel like it's just way too small. This is cute too. I like this. This could be on top of my like dresser thing. This is so cute. I can put that in my storage bin. What do you think? Should I get this? It kind of matches with the... And it's like $10. What should I do? It matches with my baby plant. I'm going to HomeSense. I've never been here before, but it's like, I think TJ Maxx and Home Goods had a baby called HomeSense, so we're gonna go check it out because our girl's about to redecorate her room and stuff.
Oh, look at that now couch.
What's that?
Nice couch.
Look at this. Even looks pretty from the outside. All right, let's see.
We should get this for the party and then return it.
Nisha, is it on the block? She was just joking, y'all. Alright. This is cool.
Being bougie and drunk on this?
Oh, yes. Wow. This is nice. Fancy. Got on Google.
No. Are you kidding me? What the fuck?
1,000? Hey.
$1,500.
$1,500 on Google. Alright, let me grab. Actually, do you think we'll need a... I think I'll need a carriage. It's here for storage bins. This is so nice. Would love to just be on here.
You texted me yesterday or today?
This is mad nice. This is cute. What do y'all think about this? This is kind of fire. That's super cute. I don't like the base of this plant though. That throws me off. They didn't have what I wanted, but they did have this candle. So I'm going to just use this candle. Clearly she was trying to be in it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna snag this candle real quick. And then I'm just gonna go back to IKEA where I originally got my storage bins and just get that. So it's really nice in here too. It's like really, I like it, but it didn't have exactly what I'm looking for right now. So we'll keep it pushing until then. See y'all later.